Dear students, I am Professor Anindya Dash from Achievers, and in this video I will talk about three distinguished personalities in the field of biophysics who won Nobel Prize in 2024, and they are David Baker, Demis Hassabis, and John Jumper. Let us ponder into their work. So at first, what was the contribution? The 2024 Nobel Prize recognizes groundbreaking contributions in the protein science. So they have made a remarkable contribution in the field of biophysics. The awardees are, as I have already named them, David Baker, Demis Hassabis, and John Jumper. And the field of work was advancement in understanding protein structure and function. They had made a remarkable contribution in this particular field. Okay, so let's proceed. So what is the importance of protein? What is a protein? As we are already acquainted with this term from our school level, so we all do have a basic knowledge of protein. See, proteins are essential molecules in living organisms involved in virtually all biological processes, and their simplest form is amino acid. Let's proceed into the next part. What are the functions of protein? They have enzymatic activity, they have structural roles, and they help in signaling and regularity of the physiological systems. Okay, so take some examples. In enzymatic activity, you have catalyzing biochemical reactions. In structural roles, you have collagen in connective tissues, and signaling and regulatory roles, they do have their impact in hormones like insulin. Okay, and what are the disorders associated with proteins? Misfolded proteins do cause some disorders which are literally incurable. Okay, you can't rectify those errors. What are those disorders? It's Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the final form of dementia. It's the last form of dementia where people start forgetting, and this disease can't be reversed. Okay, Parkinson's disease, this is also a very dangerous form of a disease where people do have convulsions, people do have seizures, and they will find some psychiatric abnormality associated with Parkinson's disease, and along with that there is cystic fibrosis as well. So these diseases are literally incurable. Okay, now what are the achievements of these Nobel laureates? At first we'll talk about David Baker. See, what is the expertise of David Baker? He pioneered computational methods for protein structure prediction. At first he did that. So it's a biomathematical field he has explored. Then he developed Rosetta, a software suite widely used for modeling protein folding and designing. So he actually created a mathematical software from which protein folding can be analyzed. And what are the achievements? The advanced de novo protein design for the therapeutic applications. This is the first achievement, and the next one is enable the engineering for synthetic proteins with tailored functions. So these are the achievements of Mr. David Baker, or rather our revered Professor David Baker. Now let us talk about the achievements of Professor Demis Hassabis. You see, The expertise is he led the development of AlphaFold, a revolutionary AI system for predicting protein structures. This is what brought the Nobel Prize. This AI system, this revolutionary AI system, artificial intelligence associated with the protein, the alpha folding of protein. Okay, and this was actually carried out by Professor Demis Hassabis. And what are the achievements? There is a legendary achievement of Professor Demis Hassabis. He solved the 50-year-old protein folding problem. The 50-year-old unsolved protein folding problem was eventually solved by this person. So this is a remarkable contribution he has made to the field of biophysics, and he also demonstrated unprecedented accuracy in predicting 3D protein structures from amino acid sequences. That is also one of his most important works. Now let's move on to the contributions of Professor John Jumper. David Hassabis was co-founder and CEO of DeepMind, an AI research company. And John Jumper is a senior researcher at DeepMind and key figure in AlphaFold project. So these two persons worked together. And what is the expertise of this particular person? He contributed to the refinement and implementation of AlphaFold's algorithms. Okay, so both Demis Hassabis and John Jumper worked meticulously on this project AlphaFold protein, and here this person actually contributed to the refinement and implementation of AlphaFold's algorithms. Okay, so that is also a remarkable work in the field of biostatistics. And here the achievements: he co-authored the pivotal 2020 paper on AlphaFold's capabilities, which eventually brought them the Nobel Prize. So he has been the co-author along with David Beckel and Demis Hassabis. Okay, and he played a central role in applying AI to biological and medical challenges. That's what the world is all about. The world is progressing, and AI is being the integral part of our life, and he has complied this AI to the biological and medical challenges. Okay. And what is the impact of their work? Scientific advancement, accelerated understanding of protein biology. This is the first scientific achievement or advancement. Second, opened a new avenue in drug discovery and vaccine development. So these are the two important advancements he has made in the field of biophysics. Next, healthcare applications, improved treatment strategies for diseases like diseases linked to protein dysfunction. As I've already told, there's some diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, they are literally incurable, but these persons have developed some improved strategies to deal with these disorders. And they also facilitate the design of custom enzymes and therapeutic proteins. And they have developed some important therapies related to proteins. Okay, and what is the global collaboration? Made AlphaFold's prediction freely accessible, benefiting researchers worldwide. AlphaFold, which was actually unknown to the world before these three persons, after them, their research work made this AlphaFold freely accessible to the world, so that the other researchers in different parts of the world can work on it, and they can proceed with their research work further. Okay, and let us conclude. The work of Becker, Hassabis and Jumper represents a monumental leap in biology, blending computational power with molecular science. Okay, so far we have discussed we have already understood this point. Next, the contributions are not only reshaping our understanding of life's fundamental building blocks, but also transforms medicine, biotechnology, and beyond. Not only they help to understand the structure of protein, but this work they have done, it has immense impact in biomedical field. Okay, so it's basically reshaping our life. And finally, the 2024 Nobel Prize highlights the synergy of AI and biological sciences in solving humanity's greatest challenges. See, interdisciplinary science is the thing, is the most important ventures the scientists are making throughout the world, the interdisciplinary portion. See, physics and biology mingle together to get into biophysics, chemistry, biology mingle together to get into biochemistry, statistics, biology mingle together to get into biostatistics. Now, biology is mingling with artificial intelligence, and this path was paved by these three eminent scientists. So that's all, students. I am Professor Ron Introduction. I will be logging off from this video. Stay tuned. Bye bye for now.